Hello, this is Ritesh. Hi, this is Harsh. We are from Ruya College, and this is our official entry for Dell's My Hero, My Inspiration contest. So, this is a story of a local, Tausif. He's the co founder of a travel company called Be the Local Tours. So, without wasting any more time, let's take a look.
My father migrated to Mumbai and started working in the raw leather industries. I did my schooling from St. Anthony High School and also did my graduations in physics from Khalsa College. Like other students, I was searching for my job, but it's very hard to get a jobs in Mumbai. But Fahim was working in some other through travels company, so I thought maybe I can join them. But that didn't work out very well, and that's the challenge make us to start our own company, Be the Local Tours. Me and Fahim started with scratch with the bare minimum. We seen that lots of foreigners are coming to Dharavi. Dharavi is always known as a poverty, crime, or something negative perspective. We wanted to show the Dharavi what we see it with our eyes. Did you know Dharavi one of the Asia's largest small scale industries? As you know, like lots of people, they are running the tours in Dharavi itself, and they are not basically the local students, locals of Dharavi. So we thought, why we take a chance to start our own thing, something. So then we started Be the Local Tours and Travels. At that time, we didn't have much financial backup, but the family supported a lot, and friends too. As you know, we were the college students, so we don't have much experience how to promote our business. We start roaming around in Mumbai and sharing our visiting cards to the outsiders. But we failed to explain what we wanted to. So we decided to make our own website, what we wanted to show with our eyes to the outsiders. We had no idea that a single website could do wonders. We waited for 2 to 3 weeks, but we are not getting a response from the tourists. But and suddenly one mail popped up, and we were very much excited. Well, I still remember my first tour, and it was a shocking. Fahim called me on phone and he said like, you're having a tour for today and I'm not free, and he was working somewhere else, and I decided to do the tour. And when I reached to the station, over there I have seen like dozens of guests were there, and I was being shocked, and I taken a deep breath and start walking inside in the Ravi. After then, all my nervousness has been gone, and doing the tour very happily and ended too. Be the Local Tours has given a new meaning to my life. I'm enjoying every second, every minute of it. We started with 2 guys, myself and my friend Fahim. Now we are a team of total 17 people. We have done the tours with the guests from all over the globe, and we got the guests like schools, business, corporate companies, and other tourists.
Be the Local has educated me, and in a way that I was not expecting, to show that this is not a slum, it's more of a community where people live and thrive and live as well as possible.
Well, I like to tell to everyone, failing is okay, but not to give up. Don't be afraid to try something new. Never lose hope. Do focus and keep patience.
In spite of so many difficulties and challenges they faced, they have managed to come this far, and they don't want to stop. Tausif's story is of determination, and he has not just inspired one or two of us, but he has inspired people from all across the globe. All you need is an idea, and you just have to start working on it. Another thing that I learned from Tausif is the need to create employment and contribute to the society, and also respect the place where you are living.
We would like to thanks Dale for giving us such wonderful opportunity.
We had a great fun recording, shooting, and interacting with Tausif. And thank you.